Flying animals that are not birds. Flying animals that are not birds. Dragonfly, hawk moth, desert locust, hoary bat, Mexican free-tailed bat, northern flying squirrel, southern flying squirrel, colugo, flatty spiders, flying fish, Draco lizard, paradise tree snake. So let's identify these animals with pictures. Dragonfly, hawk moth, desert locust, hoary bat, Mexican free-tailed bat, northern flying squirrel, southern flying squirrel, colugo, flatty spiders, flying fish, Draco lizard, paradise tree snake. So these are the examples of some flying animals. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.